How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then scroll down and click on Snapchat. After clicking on Snapchat, then if you turn off your microphone option, then turn it on. After turn off your microphone option, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on general and click on iPhone storage. Now find here Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat, and here you can offload your Snapchat app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.